This is the story of Aman, a wealthy young man searching for peace. Despite possessing immense wealth, Aman's life lacked tranquility. Whenever he found himself alone, thoughts would consume his mind, thoughts about how his life seemed confined to a monotonous routine. From office to home and back again, with the same mornings and nights repeating every day, he felt trapped in his luxurious yet unfulfilling existence. Frustrated by this, Aman decided one day to escape his routine. He took his car and set off in search of peace, determined to find a place where he could experience serenity and spend some time away from his usual surroundings. As he drove aimlessly, Aman arrived at a small village where everyone lived in poverty. The village had no electricity, no running water, no paved roads, and none of the comforts he was accustomed to. By the time he reached the village, evening had already fallen. Observing the village and its conditions, night crept in unnoticed. Just as Aman was about to leave, it began to rain heavily, forcing him to reconsider his plan. However, as if his search for peace had led him into deeper trouble, his car broke down in the middle of this remote area. As a wealthy man with a luxury car and an iPhone, Aman initially believed his problems could be easily resolved. But his wealth proved useless in this situation. There was no network coverage, no paved roads, and no electricity. His anxiety grew. Desperate for help, he noticed a faint light coming from a small hut nearby. It wasn't electricity but an oil lamp. Holding on to hope, Aman stepped out of his expensive car and approached the hut. He knocked softly, and an elderly voice responded, "Who's there, son? What brings you here so late at night?" The voice invited him inside to escape the rain. As Aman entered the dimly lit hut, he saw an elderly woman and a beautiful young girl, whose face glowed even in the faint light. Aman couldn't take his eyes off the girl and, in just a few moments, found himself captivated by her beauty. The girl, whose name was Chandani, lived with her elderly mother. They led a simple life, sustaining themselves through farming and finding joy in their modest existence. Chandani's father had passed away years ago, leaving her to take on the responsibilities of running the household while her mother aged. Despite their lack of wealth, the mother and daughter shared a deep bond of respect, love, and contentment. Chandani asked Aman why he was there so late at night. Aman explained his situation, his search for peace, his car breaking down, the lack of network, and the pouring rain. Chandani responded that there was no network in the village and no way for him to leave until morning. She invited him to stay the night and offered him food. Her mother echoed the same sentiment, sensing Aman's sincerity despite his wealth. With no other option, Aman agreed to stay. The hut had only 2 cots, so Chandani's mother asked her to share her cot with her while offering the other one to Aman. Before sleeping, Chandani brought him food, a simple meal of millet bread, green chilies, and coriander chutney, served on a cracked plate. Used to eating in five-star hotels, Aman was hesitant at first but soon realized how delicious the simple meal was. For the first time, he felt a sense of peace and fulfillment he had never known in his opulent life. As he lay on the cot, Aman reflected on how this tiny hut, lit by an oil lamp, had given him the tranquility he had been seeking. The contrast between his lavish life and the simple joy he found here was overwhelming. That night, he slept peacefully, a kind of restful sleep he had never experienced in his luxurious home. The next morning, Aman woke up to find Chandani and her mother gone. They had already left for the fields. A short while later, he saw them returning, carrying bundles of grass on their heads. They warmed some milk for him, but Aman mentioned he hadn't brushed his teeth yet. Chandani handed him a twig for brushing, teaching him how to use it, a completely new experience for Aman. Her simplicity and charm deeply impressed him. Before leaving, Chandani introduced Aman to a villager who helped repair his car. Aman returned home, but the memories of his time in the hut and Chandani's kindness lingered in his mind. When his parents inquired about his absence, Aman narrated the entire story and expressed his desire to marry Chandani. His parents were horrified by the idea of him marrying a poor girl from a village and accused her of scheming to take over their wealth. But Aman stood firm, declaring he would marry only Chandani, even if it meant giving up his inheritance. Seeing his determination, his father disowned him, stripping him of all wealth and property. Undeterred, Aman returned to the village and proposed to Chandani. At first, her mother refused, concerned about societal judgment. But after hearing Aman's story, she relented, and Chandani shyly agreed. The villagers gathered for a simple wedding ceremony, and Aman began his new life in the village. Over time, Aman adapted to his new lifestyle, working in the fields and embracing the simplicity of village life. He realized that true happiness lay not in wealth but in meaningful connections and simple living. 6 months passed, and Aman found himself at peace, learning valuable lessons about life, love, and contentment. One day, Aman's parents visited the village. Seeing their son happy and transformed, they asked him to return home. After much thought, Aman agreed but insisted on bringing Chandani and her mother with him. His parents finally accepted his choice, understanding that their son's happiness was more important than societal expectations. Aman's story reminds us that true peace and fulfillment often come from the simplest of things, not from wealth or material possessions. Let us know how you found this story in the comments. Stay tuned for more such tales and current affairs. Until then, take care and keep listening to Social Diary Radio.